What does a 2+1 road have? A. A double lane for cyclists and pedestrians. B. 2 motorway lanes in the same direction. C. Various road surfaces. D. 2 non-motorway lanes in one direction, and 1 non-motorway lane in the opposite direction. 2 lanes of traffic in one direction, and 1 in the opposite direction. Correct answer laughing smiley. 2 non-motorway lanes in one direction, and 1 non-motorway lane in the opposite direction. 2 lanes of traffic in one direction, and 1 in the opposite direction. If there is no footpath, where must a pedestrian walk? A. Left-hand side of the road. B. Do not walk if there is no footpath. C. Right-hand side of the road. D. Middle of the road. Correct answer, C. Right-hand side of the road. What is a clearway? A. An area where stopping and parking is not allowed during certain times. You must not stop or park in a clearway area except outside the times stated on the information plate under the sign. B. A motorway used for heavy goods vehicles only. C. A path to be used only by cyclists and pedestrians. D. An area of road that may be used in times of emergency. Correct answer, A. An area where stopping and parking is not allowed during certain times. You must not stop or park in a clearway area except outside the times stated on the information plate under the sign. What does this sign mean? A. Bus and cycle lane ahead on left. B. Contra-flow bus lane ahead. C. Buses prohibited. D. With flow bus and cycle lane ahead on the right. Correct answer B. Contra-flow bus lane ahead. What does this sign mean? A. Traffic queues likely ahead. B. End of central reserve or obstruction. C. Start of central reserve or obstruction. D. Near side lane of 2 closed. Correct answer B. End of central reserve or obstruction. What does this sign mean? A. End of motorway. B. Entry to motorway in 500 meters. C. Motorway ends 500 meters ahead. D. Entry to motorway. Correct answer C. Motorway ends 500 meters ahead. What should a driver be conscious of in this situation? A. The bus may pull out suddenly. B. People crossing the street at the front of the bus. C. The bus may be in the vehicle's blind spot. D. People crossing the street at the rear of the bus. Correct answer D. People crossing the street at the rear of the bus. What should a driver be aware of when driving at night along a shopping street with many different light sources? A. It may be difficult to see pedestrians. B. hazard warning lights should be switched on. C. Traffic lights may be difficult to distinguish from the other bright lights. D. It may be difficult to see other drivers on the road. Correct answer C. Traffic lights may be difficult to distinguish from the other bright lights. What should the driver do? A. The driver should increase speed and turn before the yellow car. B. The driver should honk before proceeding. C. The driver should allow the yellow car to proceed. D. The driver should proceed with making the turn. Correct answer C. The driver should allow the yellow car to proceed. What does this sign mean? A. Staggered crossroads ahead with roads of equal importance. B. Crossroads ahead with roads of equal importance. C. Main road bears to the left. D. Main road bears to the right. Correct answer C. Main road bears to the left. What should the driver allow for when following the bus on an icy road? A. A longer braking distance. B. A sudden loss of control. C. A shorter braking distance. D. A decrease in speed. Correct answer A. A longer braking distance. The silver car is overtaking the parked red car. What should the driver do in this situation? A. Increase speed to avoid hitting the ball. B. Stop immediately and retrieve the ball. C. Reduce speed considerably and be ready to stop. D. Proceed with care. Correct answer, C. Reduce speed considerably and be ready to stop. What does this sign mean? A. Possibility of sheep ahead. B. Possibility of cattle or farm animals ahead. C. Possibility of animals ahead. D. Possibility of deer or wild animals ahead. Correct answer A. Possibility of sheep ahead. What should a driver be aware of in this situation? A. It is dangerous to overtake other vehicles. B. Oncoming traffic. C. A dangerous right-hand bend ahead. D. The speed limit may change. Correct answer C. A dangerous right-hand bend ahead. What does this traffic light mean? A. Traffic must stop at the traffic light. B. Traffic may proceed if the way is clear. C. Stop, unless it is unsafe to do so. D. Proceed with caution. Correct answer A. Traffic must stop at the traffic light. What does this sign mean? A. Road divides ahead. B. T-junction with dual carriageway ahead. C. Traffic merging or diverging ahead. D. Mini roundabout ahead. Correct answer D. Mini roundabout ahead. What should the car driver do in this situation? A. The driver must check blind spots before turning. B. The driver should proceed with caution. C. The driver must signal before proceeding. D. The driver must allow the cyclist to proceed. Correct answer D. The driver must allow the cyclist to proceed. What does this sign mean? A. Taxis may enter. B. Taxi service is available. C. Disc parking operates during the time shown. D. Taxis may not park in the area. Correct answer C. Disc parking operates during the time shown. What should a driver consider doing when parking a vehicle facing down a hill? A. Using the emergency brake. B. Angling the wheels towards the curb. C. Parking far from other vehicles. D. Angling the wheels away from the curb. Correct answer B. Angling the wheels towards the curb. When driving through a tunnel, what should a driver do? A. Switch on hazard warning lights. B. Remove sunglasses. C. Keep further back than normal from the vehicle in front. D. Reduce speed. Correct answer C. Keep further back than normal from the vehicle in front. Which vehicle is in the correct position to make a right turn from a minor road onto a major road? A. Car 1 is in the correct position to turn right. B. Car 2 is in the correct position to turn right. C. Car 3 is in the correct position to turn right. D. Car 4 is in the correct position to turn right. Correct answer A. Car 1 is in the correct position to turn right. What should the driver do in this situation? A. The driver should switch to a lower gear. B. The driver should stop. C. The driver may turn in front of the other two cars. D. The driver may not turn in front of the other two cars. Correct answer C. The driver may turn in front of the other two cars. When meeting an oncoming vehicle at night, what should a driver do? A. Turn on dipped headlights. B. Not look directly at the oncoming vehicle's lights. C. Turn off all vehicle lights. D. Stay close to the shoulder. Correct answer B. Not look directly at the oncoming vehicle's lights. On a 2+1 road, where is a driver allowed to turn right? A. At junctions with double white lines. B. At junctions with single white lines. C. At controlled junctions. D. A driver is not permitted to turn right on a 2+1 junction. Correct answer C. At control junctions. What does this light mean? A. The high beam headlights are switched on. B. Directional indicator on. C. The high beam headlights are switched off. D. The battery is not charging. Correct answer D. The battery is not charging. What effect does carrying a load have on a vehicle's braking ability? A. It increases the distance required to stop. B. It decreases the distance required to stop. C. It decreases weight distribution, reducing braking ability. D. It has no effect on braking ability. Correct answer A. It increases the distance required to stop. What do these signs together mean? A. Do not enter during the times shown. B. No U-turns during the times shown. C. Disc parking does not operate during the time shown. D. Clearway no stopping or parking during the times shown. Correct answer D. Clearway no stopping or parking during the times shown. How can sunlight affect visibility in a car with grimy windows? A. It can enhance visibility. B. It can create a mirror effect and reduce visibility. C. It can improve visibility. D. It has no effect on visibility. Correct answer B. It can create a mirror effect and reduce visibility. What must a driver be aware of before entering a roundabout? A. The traffic to the right, how fast it's traveling and how close it is. B. The traffic to the left, how fast it's traveling and how close it is. C. Cyclists or pedestrians that may be in blind spots. D. Oncoming traffic. Correct answer A. The traffic to the right, how fast it's traveling and how close it is. When in a hurry and another vehicle cuts in front, what should a driver do? A. Be patient and not retaliate. B. Honk the horn to notify the driver. C. Notify the guarder. D. Overtake the vehicle. Correct answer A. Be patient and not retaliate. What should a driver do if they are behind schedule in reaching a destination at an appointed time? A. Switch on hazard warning lights and increase speed. B. Be patient and drive so as to arrive safely. C. Overtake other drivers when safe to do so. D. Be more aggressive on the road. Correct answer B. Be patient and drive so as to arrive safely. What is the normal stopping distance of a car or motorcycle traveling at 100 km per hour on a dry road? A. 77 meters. B. 55 meters. C. 100 meters. D. 33 meters. Correct answer A. 77 meters. What should drivers be aware of if they meet horses with riders on the road? A. Drivers should be aware that horses are faster than cars. B. Drivers should be aware that loud noises from their vehicle may frighten the horses and cause them to bolt. C. Drivers should be aware that horses are prohibited on roads. D. Drivers should be aware that horses are aggressive animals. Correct answer B. Drivers should be aware that loud noises from their vehicle may frighten the horses and cause them to bolt. What should a driver do on a narrow road when another vehicle is coming in the opposite direction? A. Reduce speed and pull to the right. B. Reduce speed and pull to the left. C. Increase speed and pass the vehicle. D. Reduce speed and allow reasonable clearance between their vehicle and the oncoming one before proceeding. Correct answer D. Reduce speed and allow reasonable clearance between their vehicle and the oncoming one before proceeding. Why is it important to have clean, clear windows? A. To ensure good all-round visibility from the vehicle. B. To prevent the driver from becoming drowsy. C. To ensure blind spots are visible. D. To maximize fuel efficiency. Correct answer A. To ensure good all-round visibility from the vehicle. What does this light mean? A. Full fuel level. B. Directional indicator on. C. Low fuel level. D. The high beam headlights are switched on. Correct answer D. The high beam headlights are switched on. What should the driver do when approaching a humpbacked hill? A. The driver should reduce speed, keep to the left, and be alert for hazards ahead. B. The driver should increase speed, keep to the right, and be alert for hazards ahead. C. The driver should increase speed, keep to the left, and be alert for hazards ahead. D. The driver should reduce speed, keep to the right, and be alert for hazards ahead. Correct answer A. The driver should reduce speed, keep to the left, and be alert for hazards ahead. What traffic may use a contraflow bus lane? A. Taxis and cyclists. B. Buses on a scheduled service. C. Cyclists and pedestrians. D. Buses, taxis and cyclists. Correct answer B. Buses on a scheduled service. What should the driver do when driving a vehicle they are not familiar with? A. Drive initially with extra care and at a higher speed than normal. B. Drive similar to when driving other vehicles. C. Stay clear of major motorways. D. Drive initially with extra care and at a lower speed than normal. Correct answer D. Drive initially with extra care and at a lower speed than normal. What does this sign mean? A. Only pass on the left. B. Yield for traffic coming from the left. C. Do not turn left. D. Proceed straight ahead. Correct answer D. Proceed straight ahead.